Good morning, everybody. So, from the topic, you must have come to know that what I'm going to discuss today. So, today I'm going to solve some more questions based on ratio. Okay, so let's start the class with this question. Question number one. A bus travels a bus travels 180 kilometer in 3 hours. In 3 hours, and a train travels 450 kilometer in 5 hours. Find the ratio of find the ratio of speed to speed of train speed of train to speed of bus. To speed of bus. Okay. So this question, it is not difficult, it is very easy. Yeah, what we have to do, what is given first? It is given that a bus travels 180 kilometer in 3 hours and a train travels 450 kilometer in 5 hours. Find the ratio of speed of train to the speed of a bus. Distance is given, time is given, and we have to find the ratio of speed. So what we will do first? First we will find out the speed. Clear? So speed of what? First we'll find out the speed of a bus. Clear? So here we will write speed of bus is equal to what? Distance by time. So distance is given 180 and time is given what? 3. So here it will be what? 60 kilometer per hour. This is the speed of bus. Then the speed of a train. We'll find out what? Speed of train. So speed of train will be equal to what? 450 divided by 5. So this will be equal to what? 90 kilometer per hour. Okay. What we have to find? We have to find the ratio of speed of train. So first we will write the speed of what? Train. So speed of train is what? 90. So we will can write here according to the question 90 divided by what? 60. Yeah, this is very what? It's a trick. When you write according to the question, no, then you don't have to write a long statement. Clear? Here we can write in place of this, means this according to the question, we can write now the speed of train, ratio of speed of train to the ratio of speed of bus is equal to. So instead of writing all this, if we will write according to the question and then we will start the calculation, then there is no, means you are not making any mistake. And start. So this always you prefer to write before starting the calculation. If you are not in a mood to write a big statement before the calculation, then write according to the question. Okay. So here we can now find the ratio. So 3 3s are 3 2s are. So the answer will be what? 3 is to 2. Clear to all of you? I hope you all have also got the same answer. Very nice. Thank you very much. So now let's do the next question. Huh? And before starting the next question, today also I'm going to give you a small target for this class. And what is the small target? Yes, today you have to make the subscriber 980. Clear? So 980. What is there? You know. So now today's target is 980. So you have to complete this target. Clear? And I know this is not a very big target for you all. This is very small target. And when we keep in our mind to achieve the small target, then automatically what happens? The big one day we achieve the bigger target, because we enjoy when we have to work, when we have to fix the small target, and when we work hard for that small target. Okay, so don't forget what is today's target? 980. Okay, now let's write the next question. So now let's do the next question, and the next question is, in winters a school opens at a school opens at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. and closes at 3:30 p.m. Okay. If the lunch interval is off, if the lunch interval, if the lunch interval is of 30 minutes, find the ratio of find the ratio of lunch interval to total time. Lunch interval to total time. Clear? Find the ratio of lunch interval to total time. So, what is the question? In winter, first we'll find out that what is given. Clear? First you read the question, and then at the back of the mind you keep that what is given, what you have to find out, and what should be the process. This all should go, at the back of your mind. So now start thinking like that. In winter, a school opens at 10 a.m. and closes at 3:30 p.m. Clear? So means the time interval we have to find out. So here we can write 10 a.m. 10 a.m. to what? 3:30 p.m. 3:30 p.m. This is the time. So we have to find how many hours in between. Okay. If the lunch interval is of 30 minutes, find the ratio of lunch interval to the total time. So first we have to find the total time. How we will find the total time? So we will start like 10. Then next is what? 11, then 12, then 1, 2, 3, and then 3:30. Clear? So we can 3 and then we can write here 30 minutes. This is what? Minutes. Okay. So this is 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour. Clear? So 5 hour, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. 5 hours plus 30 minutes. And 5 hours 300 minutes plus 30 minutes. And this will be equal to what? 330 minutes. Clear? So total time is what? 330 minutes and lunch interval is what? 30 minutes. Now we will find out the ratio. Okay. In winter, a school opens at 10 a.m. and closes at what? 3:30 p.m. If the lunch interval. Okay, one more thing is here. Lunch interval is 30 minutes. So from the total time, we will take out what? Lunch interval. So from the total time, if we will take out the lunch interval, then we will get what? 300 minutes. Because here it is given lunch interval is already given. We have to find the ratio between the total time and lunch interval. So from the total time, what we will take out? Lunch interval. The lunch interval is of what? 30 minutes. So we'll take it out. So what we will get here? 300 minutes. Now we will find out the ratio. Again, instead of writing the long statement, what we can write? According to the question. It's very easy. Now, so find the ratio of lunch interval. So first we will write the lunch interval. Lunch interval is what? 30 minutes. So 30 by total time is what? 300. So ratio will be what? 1 is to 10. Answer. Clear? I hope you all have also got the same answer. And this question is little bit tricky. So if you have not done, means if you are getting confused, then I have explained here. I hope the explanation has become very clear to all of you. Okay. So now let's do the next question. Now the next question is Rohit goes to school by car at 60 km per hour. Rohit goes Rohit goes to school by car at 60 km per hour. And Manoj goes to school and Manoj goes to school by scooty. Manoj goes to school by scooty at 40 km per hour. At 40 km per hour. If they both live in the same locality, if they both live in a same locality, if they both live in the same locality, find the ratio between find the ratio find the ratio between the time taken by Rohit between time taken Rohit Rohit and Manoj to reach school. School at 60 kilometer per hour, and Manoj goes to school by scooty at 40 kilometer per hour. If they both live in a same locality, clear? So what we have to find here? We have to find here time. Hmm? How we will find out the time? What is the formula to find the time? Distance by speed. But here the distance is not given. Then what will be the distance? D. Distance is not given. What we will do? We will suppose let the distance be x. Clear? So we will write here let the distance be x. Let the distance be x. Okay. So distance time taken by Rohit. So time taken by what? Rohit. I'm writing R. R means Rohit. Okay. So distance by speed is what? 60. Clear? And then time taken by what? Manoj. M. Distance by what? What is given here? 40. 40. Then according to the question, we have to find the ratio. Clear? So again, instead of writing a long statement that ratio between the time taken by between the time taken by the Rohit and Manoj is equal to, instead of that, you can write according to the question. So what we will write here? X first is given of what? Rohit, and then it is given of Manoj. So Rohit is what? X by 60. X by 60, and then what? Ratio of time taken by Manoj. So x, and this will go what? Up. So this x and x cancel, and then 20 to the 23. So your final answer will be what? 2 is to 3. This is also a tricky question. Clear? Students find difficult. Clear? They find difficulty in this question. But I think now the process has become very clear to you all, and now you can solve this type of question. Clear? Now let's do the next question. Again, before doing the next question, I'm going to remind you, do you know what? Yes, today's target. And what is today's target? Yes, 980. Clear? So you have to make the subscriber 980. And I know this is not difficult for you. This is very, very easy for you all. So please make the subscriber 980. Please complete today's target. Now let's do the next question. Now the next question is, in a club having 360 members, in a club having 360 members, having 360 members, 40 play carom, 40 play carom, 40 play carom, 96 play table tennis, 96 play table, 96 table tennis, 144 play badminton, 144 play 144 play badminton, and remaining members play and and remaining members remaining members play volleyball. If no member plays two or more games, if no member plays two or more games, find the ratio of members. Find the ratio of members who play first one carom to the number of those who play badminton. Carom to the badminton. So in short, I am writing carom to the badminton. Carom to badminton. Here in short, I am writing here. Otherwise, I could have written here water. Carom to the number of those who play badminton. Hmm. So now, in a club having 360 members, 40 play water. Carom. Clear? We have to find carom and badminton. So carom is here. So 40 play carom. And this table tennis, this badminton. Badminton is what? 144 play what? Badminton. So 40 play carom and 144 play badminton. So this we can find here. So carom is what? 40. And badminton is what? 144. So the ratio will be what? 5 is to 80. Clear? This will be the answer. 5 is to 80. Okay. Now, next subpart. Clear? Because in this question, many subparts are there. Okay. So, one by one, I'll write the subpart and then I'll solve it. Okay. Now, so I'm going to rub this one. I hope you all have also got the same answer. It is not difficult. It is very easy. So, next subpart is badminton to the table tennis. Badminton to table tennis. So badminton is what here? 144. So 144 and table tennis. Table tennis 12 fours are and 12 six are and 2 twos are 2 threes are. So answer will be what? 3 is to 2. Okay. So answer will be 3 is to 2. Okay. Now next one. That is table tennis to volleyball. Clear? Table tennis. Table tennis to. So table tennis is what here? And remaining members play volleyballs. Okay, so we have to find out the volleyballs. It is not given clearly. So what we will do here? So for that we will find out the number of players who play volleyball. So total is what? 360. So first we will add this one. So we will write according to the question 40 plus 96 plus 144. So this will be equal to what? 280, and then we will subtract 280 from 960 because the total member is 960. So 80. So 80 play what? Play volleyball. Clear? 80 play volleyball. Okay, so now what we have to do? We have to find out the ratio. Table tennis. Table tennis is what? Table tennis is 96 divided by 80. So final answer will be what? 6 is to 5. Clear? So here we have to find out the number of players who play volleyball because it is not given. It is simply written here what? Remaining members. Here you can see remaining members play volleyball. Okay, so clear? Now, next sub part. So remember here what we have done here 280 and 80. Clear? Remember these two. Addition of that and this one is volleyball. 2 who play other games. To the other games. Other games. Okay. So again, according to the question, volleyball. Volleyball is what? 80. And other games 280. Other games first we'll find out. I think this after subtraction I have got it here. Let's check. Other games means what? 40, then 96, and then 144. Yes, 280 is correct. 280. Yeah. Because in maths, don't take risk. If you don't remember the things exactly what you did in the previous one, clear. Of course, you are doing in the copies, you have all the records. I am not doing in the copy, I'm doing on the board. Okay, so instead of taking risk, it's better to do the calculation once again. 2 is to 7. So final answer will be what? 2 is to 7. So this much is only given in this means this much subparts is given in this question. I hope all these subparts must have become very clear to all of you. Okay. Next question. The length of a pencil is 18 centimeter. The length of a pencil is the length of the pencil is 18 centimeter and its radius is 4 centimeter and its radius is 14 centimeter. 4 centimeter, sorry, 4 centimeter. Find the ratio of its length to its diameter. So find the ratio of length to its diameter. Clear? So the length of a pencil is 18 centimeter and radius is given 4 centimeter. Radius is given and it is asked about what? It is asked about the diameter. So what is the relation between the radius and diameter? Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Clear? This is the formula. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Okay. So diameter will be equal to what? 2 into 4. This is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, so according to the question, we have to find the ratio. So length is what? 18 centimeter, and its diameter is what? 8. 9:4. Answer. Clear? So now it is clear relation between the diameter and the radius. Okay, now let's do the next question. The student teacher ratio. The student teacher ratio in a school is in a in a school is 45 is to 2. 45 is to 2. If there are if there are 4050 students in the school, 4050 students in the school, how many teachers must be there? How many teachers must be there? Clear? So the student teacher ratio, the question is the student teachers ratio in a school is 45 is to 2. If there are 4050 students in the school, how many teachers must be there? So here we have to find out a number of teachers. How we will find out the number of teachers? So teachers must be there, and here teacher, two, and this one is teacher. Clear? So 2 by 45 is to 4050.